Y'all, we are not going broke this year. We are going to look cute without having to empty our bank accounts because we are not going broke for beauty. You can do it at home. And today we are talking about recession-proof beauty, how you can look expensive on a budget. So number one, if you can do it at home, do it at home. Oftentimes the salon is a luxury and not a necessity. I don't know what happened, but somewhere along the line, a lot of us starting to feel like, we have to get our hair done at the salon. We have to get lash extensions done. We have to get all these things done. You can get those things done, but you can get those things done by yourself at your house. You can look expensive on a budget by simply just doing things at home. You are fully capable of giving yourself a salon-like experience, and I am proof of that. I dye my own hair black. Your girl, she got some grays coming up. And ain't nothing wrong with grays, but I'm not ready to be in my gray hair girl era. So I dye my own hair and it looks great. I also do my own lash extensions. I do these at home for a fraction of the cost, and they also last. I do my own feet. I do my own pedicure from time to time, and I do have a video where I share how I do my own pedicure and my feet look real cute. I do my own nails. You guys know I am a press-on queen. These are press-on nails. These have been on my hands for about 5 days now. Home, you'll be a press-on girly, a fraction of the cost, fraction of the time. I tint my own brows, and I do have a tutorial on how I tint my own brows, so I will link that somewhere on the screen or down below. I also dermaplane. I remove my own facial hair. So I do a lot of these things at home because one, I find it saves me a lot of money. I'm not having to spend hours in a salon. You guys know I got a little baby. He don't want to be in a salon all day. All of these things collectively can cost thousands of dollars per month. Dermaplaning, lash extensions, tinting, all that stuff can cost a lot of money. So by me doing it at home, I save a lot of money and I save a lot of time, and I still get to look great. And by doing stuff yourself, it's not budget results. You can have salon-like results at home. You can have salon-looking nails at home. You can tint your brows and they look like you got them done in a salon. You can do dip powder. You guys know I do dip powder. I do all the things and it still looks great. You can do your own spa-like facials at home. It does not have to be budget looking. And honestly, some people, they're not going to agree with this, especially my professionals. I know, don't come for me. But honestly, I feel like sometimes when you do your own, it tends to look better because you get to customize it to you. For example, I find like when I tint my own brows, it tends to look better than when I get them professionally done because I can customize to myself. I know how I like my brows done. I know the shape I like them. I know how thick I like them. Like I know what I want my brows to look like so I can have that come to life. Even with like my lash extensions, I know exactly how I want my lashes done. So when I do them, it looks just how I want it because I know exactly how I want it. So a lot of times just by doing it at home, it looks better because you're able to customize for you, which again makes you look rich on a budget because a lot of times rich just looks like it's customized to you. Having things tailored that fit you right, that's a way of looking rich. Having your lashes done that fit your eyes, having your nails done that fit your hands. And the thing is, if you're gonna do it at home, the key is just the right tools. Having the right tools to do it at home. Having the right things that you can achieve the salon-like look at home. My recommendation, instead of dropping $1,000 every single month on your hair, your nails, your lashes, all those things, start building a little at-home beauty salon. For example, here's something that I have. These are a lot of the press-on nails, and I literally will do my nails, and then when I get done, I'll put some more in here. And again, I do have tons of videos where I share with you guys how I do my own beauty routines at home. I will link those down below, but be sure you are subscribed to my channel because I'm always sharing ways that you can look and feel your best without having to spend a ton of time, money, or else. Another tip I have is use AI to upgrade your beauty routine. Like we are in the age of AI. Every time you turn around, everybody's talking about AI, ChatGPT, Claude, Gronk, all of those things. Use that to your advantage. Personally, I don't think AI is going anywhere. I think we just have to learn to live with it. And AI just can make things so much easier for you. Like when you have really good prompts, ChatGPT, Claude, all those AI tools, they can help you tremendously when it comes to your beauty routine, your style, your skincare, all of these things. Leverage it. For example, I love these press-on nails. I love this color that's like lavender color, and I want it in a nail polish color so I can like have my toes match it. Took a photo of my nails, uploaded to ChatGPT and was like, I love this nail color. What are similar nail polish colors to this? And it gave me a list of different nail polish colors similar to this nail color so I could buy the polish and have matching toes. AI can really be that girl or that boy or the artificial intelligence, depending upon what you think of it. Yeah, it really is useful, and it can be useful for your beauty routine and you looking rich on a budget. An easy ChatGPT prompt that you can use is, please create me a 5-step skin routine for my combination skin in the morning. And it will give you a easy 5-step skin routine based on your combination skin. You can add in, I have sensitive skin. You can add in products that are under $25. AI is going to do that for you. It's going to customize and give you tips and advice based on the prompts that you use. So use AI to get ahead and to look better and to glow up. And if you're like, okay, I want to kind of use AI, like I'm kind of intrigued, I do have a Beauty and Style Sidekick guide, and it's over 200, y'all. Over 200 customized prompts that you can use that will elevate your fashion game, your skincare game, your makeup game, your fragrance game, your budget game, your beauty game. Like, it will upgrade everything. And these aren't just like regular generic prompts like, build me a skincare routine. Like, these are useful prompts. A lot of these prompts I have used myself or for my clients. These are prompts that you can use that are going to be very descriptive based on what you need and based on what you want. The thing is, like, I took an AI prompting class, and during the AI prompting class, one thing we have to do is we have to like create our own like prompts for ChatGPT and Claude. And I was like, you know what? Like, why can't we do this for beauty and fashion and skincare? So if you're interested in my prompt guide, it's called the Beauty and Style Sidekick. I will link that somewhere on the screen or down below. But again, use AI to like make life easier, even when it comes to your beauty and your makeup and your skincare and your style. Like, it is okay to care about how you look, and why not leverage these new tools to make it easier and better? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Another tip I have for you to look expensive on a budget is define, what does looking expensive even feel like to you? Does looking expensive to you mean you have your hair done, have your nails done, have your makeup done? Does looking expensive means like have simple outfit and chic accessories and a chic purse? Like, what does looking expensive mean to you? I know we have all these, influencers that teach you how to look more chic and how to look more stylish and how to look expensive, and all that's great, but it also needs to come down to you. Truly sit down and think about what makes you look and feel rich, because it truly is different for everyone. And that might be actually getting your hair done professionally but skipping the $80 manicure. Or maybe it's bold nails and a slick back bun. It might be simple outfits paired with, luxury earrings and a luxury looking bag. Like, what does rich look like and feel like to you? Because looking rich is not a one size fits all. And once you know what it feels like for you, you can literally do that thing. What makes you feel elevated is completely different than what somebody else feels elevated. For example, I feel elevated when my skin looks good and I have on some cute accessories, right? Like, I don't have to have my hair done. I can have my hair in a slick back ponytail with, my little baby hairs edged down. I don't have to have this super vibrant, colorful outfit. I can have on some simple neutrals, but if I have some cute accessories and my skincare, my makeup looks good, I feel rich. I feel elevated. So define, what is looking expensive and feeling rich to you? What is that? You don't need to do everything. You just need to know what are the things you need to do to feel like your best self. And if you're not sure, like, what makes you feel more expensive and more rich, like, ask yourself the following questions. When do I feel my most confident and put together? What compliments do I get the most about my appearance? What part of my look, when done right, instantly boosts my mood and makes me feel my best? If I could only keep 2 to 3 beauty luxuries, what would they be? What style details and beauty rituals make me feel like that girl? And the thing is, you're allowed to have more than one thing. Like, one person may say, I feel my best when I have my makeup done, and that's it. Whereas me, when makeup done and I want some cute accessories. You can have more than one thing. You could be a skincare girl who loves good accessories like myself. You can be a hair girl who loves a bold outfit. You can be a girl who loves to have her nails done and her eyebrows look really nice. You can have more than one thing that makes you feel elevated, that makes you look rich, that makes you feel like that girl. There is no box, there's no rules. You get to determine what is best for you, because you know yourself better than anybody. And honestly, just know, like, your version of rich, it helps you to, one, save money because you're shopping smarter. You're not buying outfits that you know are not going to do it for you. You're able to prioritize the things that make you feel your most put together. You can focus your energy on the things that make an impact. I don't focus my energy on these vibrant, bold outfits. I don't feel my best with vibrant, bold outfits. Although I do love vibrant and bold outfits, I feel my best when makeup is done, when I have some cute accessories. So I prioritize that over, maybe super fancy nails. It's not my most prioritized thing to make me feel my best. So that prevents me from burning out trying to do all of the things. And as an image consultant, that's actually one thing I do work with my clients on, is What are their put together priorities? What should they prioritize to feel the most put together? Should they prioritize getting their hair done so they feel the most confident put together? Should they prioritize, having their nails done? Like, what are the things that make them feel like their best self so they can prioritize? And if you want a video where I share like how to determine your put together priority, like let me know down in the comments and I may do that video next for you. My next tip to look expensive on a budget is have a fashion formula. I will die on this hill and y'all can argue with somebody else in the comments, but I truly believe that rich doesn't come from rich labels. They come from intention, fit, and styling. You can thrift and you can look rich. You can have all of your clothes from the Salvation Army or from, a cheap store and you still look elegant. You still look great because the fit looks good. One of the best ways to look expensive is focus on the fit. Does it fit you well? Super baggy pants, they don't fit well. You're not going to look elevated. You're not going to look expensive. Pants that fit you, that are tailored to you or appear to be tailored, that's going to make you look rich. That's going to make you look added. Things like clean lines, tailored, neutrals that go with everything. That's going to give you that expensive look that you're going for. If you watch any of my videos, I always talk about invest in staple pieces. Invest in a well-fitted blazer. Invest in a well-fitted trousers. Invest in a few bodysuits. Invest in some key basic pieces that you can wear together or you can combine with other stuff. You can combine fitted button up with orange trousers and look really elevated. The white button up is a staple. You can have a really nice chic blazer and pair that with jeans or trousers or a skirt and it's going to look elevated because it is a key piece. It's a stable piece. So having some outfit fashion formulas that you use and incorporate those stable pieces in your wardrobe. And with formulas are going to allow you to always look great because you're always using the same form. For example, a formula you can do is monochromatic one where everything matches. You have a burgundy top, burgundy pants. You have a purple top, purple skirt, and purple shoes. A monochromatic outfit. That's a fashion formula that you can follow that's going to make you look very chic and very expensive. Another formula that you can use make you look more expensive: crisp white tee, tailored blazer, and trousers. That can be the formula that you use. You can wear this formula multiple ways, multiple colors, multiple cuts, but it's still the same. Crisp white shirt, blazer, and trousers. It's cute, it can be casual, it can be great for work, brunch with friends, looking like chef's kiss. Mixing different textures, mixing satin and leather or knit or faux suede or cotton. Texture is a great way to look more expensive and to look more elevated. Adding texture to your outfits, it creates depth, it creates interest. It makes the outfit look more elevated. And the thing is, like, mixing texture doesn't have to be expensive. You can have affordable pieces combined together that mix texture and just look really great. And then other ways just really elevate your style and your fashion look is make sure that you are steaming or ironing your clothes. Wrinkled clothes do not look cute. They do not look expensive. Don't do it. But get things tailored if you need it. Like I said, I get everything tailored, but I do recommend having like a tailored blazer, some tailored trousers, some tailored jeans. Simple key piece that can be paired with other things and it's going to look really great. Stick to a color palette that allows you to mix and match. Me personally, I love bright colors. I'm a bright color girl, tried and true, but I do like to mix, my beiges, my whites, my creams, my navies, my blacks, my whites with my vibrant colors so I still look chic and I still look cute. You know what I'm saying? And then another tip I have for you to look expensive on a budget, you're going to roll your eyes on this one. You might, but I don't care. I'm going to say it anyway. And that one is to prioritize yourself. You look good when you feel good. And you feel good when you do things that are going to allow you to be your best self. Yes, I'm talking about drinking your water. Yes, I'm talking about taking your supplements. Yes, I'm talking about moving your body. Yes, I'm talking about getting rid of those things that stress you out. Because I'm telling you now, stressful age. So start doing things that are going to allow you to be your best self. Drink your water. If you're thirsty, grab you some water. Eat your dark greens. Move your body. Take a nice walk outside. I take at least one walk a day outside. I try to. Sometimes it be raining. I live in Florida, it be hot. I try to take at least one walk a day. I'll walk my dogs, I'll walk my baby, and I love it. I feel so good after I walk. Humans were made to go outside. Go outside, sis. Get you some outside. It's going to allow you to feel so much better. And when you feel better, you look better. So it's a win-win. The real glow truly does start inside. You cannot over highlight a dehydrated skin. You can't do it. So prioritizing water, prioritizing rest, prioritizing movement, those are going to make you look more expensive Because girls who look expensive, who look rich, who look chic, who look elevated, they don't look rest. They don't look dry. They don't look ashy. They look moisturized, okay? They look like they got a soft life. Rich people do not neglect their health, and health doesn't have to be expensive. But let me tell you what, not being healthy is very expensive, especially down the line. So definitely prioritize yourself. And be like, Breonna, I don't have money for the gym. I don't have time. Girl, go to 5 and Up, get you some dumbbells, get you some little resistant bands, and use YouTube College or Google Academy and take classes that way. But there are so many ways that you can move your body and prioritize your health and fitness without having to spend a ton of money. Looking expensive on the budget does not have to be like super complicated. It does not have to be expensive. It does not have to take all this time and energy and effort. It does not have to be. Looking like your best self can be simple. Looking like your best self can be easier. Looking like your best self can be soft life girl era, and I want that for you. So something I didn't touch on in this video is perfume, scents, fragrances. Looking and feeling expensive on a budget also is like, how do you smell? When you walk in the room, people are like, dang, you smell good. Let me tell you, people remember how you smell. They remember if you was musty. They remember if you smelled lovely. They remember that thing. And if you really want to feel and look expensive on a budget, baby, have you some scents down packed and layer your perfumes, which in my next video, I share with you how to layer your perfumes so you look and smell amazing all day long. So if you're interested in that video, go ahead and click this video right there and I'll see you there.